Hey, it's Mike Morse. I have some really exciting news. I'm here with superstar attorney Paul Wheatley, who just received a monster verdict in Wayne County. The accident happened 2.5 years ago with a really great client who was on Social Security disability at the time of the crash, already disabled, already suffering from injuries, which makes this verdict even more special.
Unfortunately, this case was about someone being hit by a drunk driver, minding their own business, driving with their brother. Airbags went off, the cars were destroyed, and it was just when COVID pandemic was starting, so the client couldn't even go to the emergency room right after the crash.
The drunk driver had no insurance.
He did not.
So we have a person on the road driving drunk, hit our person, injured our person, had no insurance. So our client had uninsured motorist coverage. We were able to sue that carrier because they only offered how much before trial?
Maybe about $40,000 for the right shoulder injury.
And what did you ask the jury to award?
I asked them to award $170,000 just for the right shoulder, neck and back.
And what did they award?
They awarded exactly $170,000.
It's more than 4 times what the last offer was. Because we got more than we wanted, we get something called interest and attorney fees and no-fault penalties. There was also a PIP component to this trial.
PIP stands for Personal Injury Protection. It's your benefits that your insurance company is supposed to pay for, like your medical bills, the chores that your friends and family might do for you, nursing care after a surgery, gas money going to and from the doctors. It could even be wage loss from your time missed from work.
And before 2019, everybody in Michigan had unlimited PIP. And now you have to choose 50,000, 250,000 and other limits. And it is always our advice that you choose unlimited PIP. You are not saving much money at all by going lower. Would you agree?
Agreed.
So we won the UM case, $170,000 verdict on a $40,000 offer. The PIP component is that they didn't pay the PIP benefits.
No, they paid for some things, and then they sent them to their insurance doctors. They sent them to about 3 insurance doctors, and they cut them off right after that.
Now they call these insurance doctors independent medical evaluations. Are they independent?
No, they are not.
What are they?
They are bought and paid for by auto owners or homeowners.
And so everybody knows this. The jury saw right through it.
We were asking for about $240,000 in medical bills. We just wanted to get his gas money paid back, some chores that his wife did for him after the surgery. They were offering about 60 grand or so on about the 240 we were asking for.
And what did the jury award?
The jury awarded $215,000 on the PIP side of things.
And they included a very special component on the jury verdict form.
They did. They said homeowners had not paid bills in more than 30, or they had the bills for more than 30 days and they had not paid them, so they were overdue, so interest was due.
And because we got interest, what is triggered?
Now we can go after attorney fees.
So every minute that we've worked on this file, we get attorney fees, which actually gets shared with the client. We get all of our costs back, which means the client gets more money in their pocket. Normally the client would pay the cost at the end of a trial. Homeowners/auto owners is actually going to pay for the cost, pay for the attorney fees. This is a massive
win.
Way to go. Thank you, Wayne County jury. Thank you, Judge Hughes. That's why we do what we do. This is an exciting day. The juries are starting to come back after COVID. We're just starting to get back into the courtroom, and I hope to have more of these to share with you later on. Nice job, my friend.
Thank you.
Nice job, and congratulations to our client.